So why is ACH important? Well, lots of different reasons. No more checks, as we kind of mentioned before. You can do an auto pay with debit or credit to CBP. But on that note, we highly suggest debit. So CBP does all the work when it comes to collecting the payment from your account. You don't have to initiate the payment. They take care of it for you. We've had a couple of importers say they're not comfortable with making the switch to ACH. And so a solution to that is just opening a new bank account that's strictly for your customs duties and taxes to be withdrawn from. We've never seen CBP pull more than they're supposed to. And it's easy. It gets you instant credit terms with CBP, plus the option of periodic monthly statement, which we will go into in a little more depth here shortly. And it can definitely help your the importer's cash flow. Another thing to keep in mind, applying for ACH may create the opportunity for an importer to receive better credit terms with their broker. Before all the section tariffs were in place, Scarborough was outlaying about $1.5 million each month in duties on our importers' behalves. And now with the increase in the tariffs, we're seeing upwards of $8 million going out. So it's a lot of money.